Panasonic 5 cups uncooked Japanese rice cooker with induction heating system and pre-programmed cooking options for brown rice, white rice, and porridge or soup. 1 liter SR HZ106 in black color. Model name rice cooker, brand Panasonic, color in black. Material aluminum. Capacity 1 liter. About this product: Japanese rice cooker industry leading induction heating, which creates an electrical current inside the pot to heat and cook rice, porridge, soup, and more. Induction cooking, durable 7-layer inner pan with diamond coating. The non-stick inner pan with copper exterior is designed for years of continual heat and use with no loss of efficiency. Delicious healthy cooking. 30 preset cooking programs automatically cook a variety of rice including delicious white rice, quinoa, porridge, sticky rice, brown rice, frozen rice, and more. Keep warm feature. The rice cooker's automatic shut off functions prevents overcooking while it is handy. Keep warm setting activates automatically when cooking is complete, holding constant at an ideal serving temperature for up to 12 hours. Additional features: built-in umami enhancing taste catcher, 7 layers inner cooking pan, special measuring cup for portioning the desired amount, ladle and non-scratching rice spoon for authentic Asian style serve. So buy this product and subscribe my channel and share my videos.